working 7 days a week. Can get you what you want as long as you can wait for the fucking next day to get it. Holy fuck, that has got to be the most sorry looking fucking cheeseburger I've ever seen. But that's lunch for the day. Fucking horrible, but the only thing on the ingredients list is gluten, so that would probably explain it. But plan is to get the floor all painted, bar this bit here which I haven't got to yet because it's above that piece of wood, and then move the stand so that we can get to that and get to the sills. Just got this last bit here to buzz off, and then we can think about painting it.
No, not yet. Sure. Oh, that he means he wants me to cook him some food.
This is Cure Rust. It's like a rust converter. Right, so we're edge primered up. Main bulk of it. There's still a couple of repairs to do. Little tiny ones each side. But we'll do that when we do the sills. Do it all together. The main bulk of the floor is alright. It's been rust treated twice. And then acid etch primered because of the bare metal. Tomorrow we'll be able to stick some high build on it when that dries. Be able to rub that down. As you can see, we've got the vehicle completely supported on one piece of wood. And I'm sat under it like a complete cunt. But we gotta move the stand, so. Let's just show you how much mud is inside the sills. Just
ripping it off to see what we got. That's supposed to be what's left of the main structure there. Obviously I've cut all this right back, taken that right back to there. Yeah, basically we want to cut all this back and see how the sliders are going to fit up to the truck and take it from there basically.